Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, August 2nd, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, it's Friday, and we had a lousy day. Actually, I'm kind of upbeat about it because it could have been a lot worse. And this is early in the month, and we have plenty of time to make this up. You can see here what happened with the Dow. Had this massive sell off yesterday, and it continued today. And when it was down here at the bottom, we were down over 300 points. But the Dow did come back and officially close negative 98. Um, the analysts are saying it's because of tariffs and all that. Hey, maybe it was, but it's going to come back. I mean, that's what this buying at the end of the last half of the last 2/3 of the day, there was buying in stocks, and it came back. 2/3 of its losses were paired. So, uh, and we're going to make a lot of money on the upswing here. I'm not worried about that at all. So, just one of those things. We had a bunch of stocks coming in. We had one horrible, horrible trade in UGAZ, which is natural gas bull. And that just totally fell apart. And if you can believe this, we had a $15,000 loss in UGAZ. Well, any day you got a $15,000 loss in one single stock, it's not going to be a very good day. Somehow we got out of this with only, and I kind of smile when I say that, but only just shy of $11,000 in negative closed out trades. And that's not a good day, believe me, but it could have been so much worse. And the our positions actually improved from the time stocks opened to when we finally got out. That's the reverse of what normally happens to us. So, hey, we'll recover from this. I'm not too worried about it. We only got into two new positions today. Both were positive, and we're carrying positive 3,400 over the weekend and going into Monday. So that looks pretty good too. Anyway, I will show you a couple of the stocks here. I'm not going to show you the bad one. I showed you guys yesterday. We'll just try and forget it. But we did, if you recall, right on the close yesterday, we got into Degaz, which is the natural gas bull. We got this almost right on the close. Just got in there just in the nick of time. And it gapped up this morning, and we got out there, and that's where we got out there. It's pretty darn close to the high of the day. And we took $6,100 out of Degaz. So that kind of offset half of that big loss in UGAZ. And then we also took 6,900, almost $7,000 out of DRIP. I'm not showing you that, but so between DRIP and Degaz, we pretty much offset that horrible loss in UGAZ. So that was real good. And then finally, our good trade of the day. This is a brand new stock for us. It's MTZ, which is Maztec Incorporated. Big gap this morning. We buy the gaps, and it just kept going. Really nice there. and we have $3,500 in open trade equity in Maztec Incorporated. So that looks real good too. So anyway, hey, you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to have a great weekend. I will be back here on Monday trading, and hopefully we'll start racking up some profits next week.